Time to head back to civilization.
Ollie.
Ollie?
Ollie.
Ollie Stokes.
Stokes, yeah.
Ollie Stokes.
Yeah.
Ben Stokes in 2019 World Cup is very much amazing.
Yeah, we love him so much. Bye-bye.
Are you now infamous?
I am, yeah. Yeah, my name's Ollie Stokes, brother of famous cricketer
famous.
Ben Stokes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Hey,
I didn't tell you before, yeah.
No, I thought you were Pierre.
No,
Yeah, that was this
it's a
morning.
code name.
This is I think it's past midday now. So.
That's your stage name?
Yeah.
I'm his wife.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I'm almost famous too.
What a lovely story you guys make.
Trying
nice,
to have a
isn't it?
Nepali baby. You know?
Okay, cool.
That was okay.
88, my 88.
88 years old, Kimmy.
1,375 stairs. We just came up. And there's still more stairs. We're not there yet. I thought I was gonna throw up when I got here.
But it says here you're sugar mama.
Chocolate brownie.
Chocolate brownie mama. Where do we start from today?
Really?
You're just copying her.
Yeah, so
So what day are we on?
6.
Okay.
Well, that sign says that if you go this way, you go the way of the mules and the donkeys to get down to the hot springs.
It says all that?
Yep.
I swear it just says way to mule and horse.
Upon reaching the hot springs, we discover another new road under construction. So let's enjoy the Trekker solitude before the masses arrive. Okay, time to catch a ride at the new road on the other side of the valley.
Are we off?
Rough.